We talk a lot about pre-immigration planning, about people who are looking to come to the United States. But what happens when the flow of traffic is going the other way? This week in life insurance, we're talking about a topic that we've been hearing a lot about lately. In fact, we haven't attended a meeting or a conference or had a conversation at a cocktail party in the last month without some conversation about folks creating a plan B, about at bare minimum getting a second passport and potentially about leaving the US and relocating somewhere else in the world. And there's a lot of reasons why people are doing this. And we're talking about entrepreneurs, executives, high net worth folks, ultra high net worth folks. It seems like everybody has this as top of mind. Now, those conversations a lot of times are focused on where you're going and how you're going to get there. But one thing that's often missing from that conversation is what's going to follow you. Specifically, when we're talking about life insurance, you have to remember that a policy, especially a large policy, a PPLI policy, premium finance policy, that was designed for a US resident may not work the same way when you're no longer a resident of this country. There might be some tax surprises, there might be some reporting surprises. We talk about this a lot in terms of pre-immigration planning when people are coming to the States about making sure they have compliant policies. But when you're also leaving the US and thinking about going somewhere else, you need to have that same conversation and walk through that and make sure that your planning is done right no matter where you end up. That's all for this week. We'll talk to you soon.